In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at Data Protection Manager 2007 Service Pack 1. So we're going to look at the configuration. We're also going to have a look at the configuration steps required to do a Hyper-V backup. So what we're going to do first of all is just actually launch up our Data Protection Manager. So in the Data Protection Manager, so here we go, we've got the monitoring page here just to see exactly what's happening, any alerts, so any backup jobs gone wrong, jobs that are currently occurring. We've got the Protection tab up the top here. And what the Protection tab allows us to do is just decide exactly what it is we're actually backing up. So as we can see, I currently haven't created any protection groups. We then got Recovery for doing restores. We've then got the Reporting tab, which just allows us to have a look exactly what's happening, generate reports, have a look at the backups, have a look at the restores. And then what we have is we have the Management tab, and the Management tab is the bit that will actually allow us to manage the Data Protection Manager application. So we can see currently I don't have any agents installed, so like I said, we're not currently protecting anything. We don't have any disks currently within here, so we've got nowhere where we're creating backups to, and we don't have any libraries created either. So what we're going to do here, just in the case of the disk tab, we're just going to add a disk where we can do backups to. So we'll click the add button. We got disk 1, which is currently blank, so we'll just add this in here. We'll then click OK, and we'll say yes, we do want to continue, and just wipe any data that's currently on there. Now that we've done that, the next thing we really need to do is actually deploy our DPM agents onto the Hyper-V host that we want to back up. So into our Agents tab, and what we want to do here is we just want to install an agent, so we'll just click Install. Next thing we're going to do here is just decide which computers we want to install these agents onto, and as you can see I've got 5 agent licenses currently. So we're going to install it on MIC host 2, so we'll just add this in. We'll click Next because that's the only thing we really want to protect. Then we'll just put in the username and password to install the agent onto that box. Select our Next button. Just saying it can't identify if it's clustered. Well, it's not. I know it's not. And the next thing we'll do here is we'll just say yes, we start the select computer after the agent has been installed. So just click Next there. We'll then click Install. It's now going to install the agent. So this will take a little while because I'm going to need to restart my machine a couple of times. So we'll just pause the video at this point while it's installing the agent on MIC host 2. Okay, we can now see that the agent has now been installed on mychost2.contoso.com successfully. Close this down now, and we can now see that we have this protected host, or we have an agent installed on this host. The next thing to do will be to configure our backups. So that's the end of this demonstration, which is just reviewing and configuring DPM to actually back up Hyper-V. Thank you.